In the Byzantine Empire during the 6th century, the existence of a fire alarm system revealed the technological advancement of the ancient city of Constantinople. This system, designed to protect the capital, was comprised of alarm towers and signal lights positioned across various areas. Each tower was capable of sending immediate signals to central authorities upon detecting a fire, enabling a swift response. This early alarm system played a crucial role as one of Constantinople's defense mechanisms.